Hello everyone, before I dive into the world of cinema, let me introduce myself. My name is M. Asrar Mujahidin and I'm a student from the English class G600. This video is created to fulfill my assignment, which requires me to watch two films and provide a comprehensive review of one. For this task, I have watched Inception and Parasite. While both are masterpieces, I have decided to focus my in-depth analysis on the South Korean sensation Parasite, directed by Bong Joon-ho. In the next 8 to 9 minutes, I will provide a critical analysis of its strengths, weakness, and the profound message it leaves behind. Let's get started. Released in 2019, Parasite is a film that redefined global cinema history. It was the first non-English language film to win the Academy Award for Best Picture. This black comedy trailer introduced us to the Kim family: father, mother, son, and daughter living in a cramped sub-basement apartment, struggling to make ends meet. The story kicks off when the son, Ji-woo, gets a job tutoring for the wealthy Park family. Soon, through clever manipulation and lies, the entire Kim family manages to work for the Parks. It's a brilliant setup that explores the gap between the haves and the have-nots in a way that is both darkly funny and deeply unsettling. Now let's talk about the plot. The storyline is a masterclass in originality. It doesn't follow a predictable path. In the first half, it feels like a hit movie or a clever con artist comedy. We cheer for the Kims and as they infiltrate the mansion, but the pacing shifts dramatically in the middle of the film. The plot twist involving the previous housekeeper is one of the most memorable scenes in modern film history. From that moment on, the movie transformed into claustrophobic thriller. The way Bong Joon-ho develops the plot is impeccable. Every small detail, like a pitch or a sensor light, becomes a crucial element of the story. The pacing is a perfect build tension slowly until it explodes into a chaotic, unforgettable final. The character development here is incredibly nuanced. Song Kang-ho delivers a powerhouse performance as Ki-taek, the father of the Kim family. We watch him transform from a laid-back man into someone driven by a deep, sullen rage. On the other side, we have the Park family. The Park are not villains in the traditional sense. They are polite and kind, but their kindness is rooted in their privilege. They are naive to the point of being dangerous. This movie shows that there are no clear heroes or villains, only people trying to survive or maintain their comfort. Every performance is solid, and the chemistry between the Kim family members make their struggle feel painfully real. Bong Joon-ho direction is nothing short of genius. He used the architecture of the house to tell a visual story. This is where the cinematography by Hong Kyung-pyo becomes essential. A key technique used is verticality. You will notice that the camera often moves down when showing the Kim family, symbolizing their lower social status. The Park mansion is full of glass, sunlight, and open space, while the Kim basement is dark and cramped. The innovative use of the line, a literal and metaphorical boundary that the servant must not cross, is a brilliant way to visualize social hierarchy. Every frame is meticulously composed to reflect the power dynamics between the characters. The auditory experience of Parasite is just as important as the visual. The score, composed by Jung Jae-il, used Baroque-style orchestral music to create a sense of tragic elegance. It makes the Kim deceptive act feel like a grand performance. The sound design is also impactful. Think about the sound of pouring rain during the flood sequence. It sounds like a disaster for the Kims, but like a blessing for the parks. Even the subtitle sounds like the clicking of the lights or the sounds of a car door emphasizes the class divide. The music and sound effects work together to keep the audience in a state of constant tension. The central theme is, of course, the class struggle. The title Parasite is a metaphor that applies to everyone in the movie. While the Kim feed off the park's wealth, the parks are also parasites because they cannot function without the labor of the poor. One of the most heartbreaking messages is the concept of the smell. It represents the invisible barrier that separates the class. No matter how much the Kim try to outreach, their reality is tied to them. Bong Joon-ho is telling us that in our modern world, the system often forces the poor to fight each other while the rich remain oblivious is their ivory towers. It is a powerful critique of the modern. In my personal opinion, Parasite is a 10 of 10. What I loved most how it managed to both a mainstream entertainer and a deep philosophical work. My only minor dislike is how brutal the endings becomes, but I understand it was necessary to show the explosion of class resentment. I recommend this movie to everyone. It's a film that will make you think for days. To summarize, Parasite is a masterpiece of direction, acting, and social commentary. It left a lasting impression on me, specifically regarding how we treat those in different social positions. Again, I'm Asro Mujahidin from English class G600. Thank you for joining me in this review. I will provide the YouTube link is requirement. Have a great day.